Good morning, student. Today in theme 10, displacing indigenous people, we will start our next topic, the native peoples. We already discussed, but again I want to describe this slide. The native people, as you know, that they have come from the Asia, okay, through a land bridge across the Bering Straits about 30,000 years before. They lived in groups along the river valley. They ate fish, meat, and cultivated the vegetables and meat. It means their life was very simple. And they did not develop the kingdoms or empires. It means that they were not greedy for the power, okay, for the land. And they did not feel any need of their own land. They formed alliances for their own reason. Goods were obtained but not by buying them, but as a gift. They were not purchased or sold the things. Okay, they were exchange the things like as a gifts. Numerous languages were spoken, but these were not written down. They were spoke different type of the languages, but they were unable to write that languages. We already discussed these maps in the last video. Okay, they were skilled craftsperson people and made beautiful textile. They could understand climate and different landscapes. So they have the knowledge about that. They understand the climate and different landscape. The native people were friendly and welcoming to the Europeans. They arranged frequent gathering to exchange goods, and they exchanged local products in return for blankets, iron vessels, gun, and alcohol with the Europeans. Native, they exchange their local products with all these things. Okay, they also the native peoples on that time they addicted to alcohol and tobacco, and so Europeans uh, dictated the terms of trade. The native people addicted to alcohol, and the European peoples they were addicted to the tobacco. Okay, now this here you see the comparative study between the America natives and the Europeans. Now, one by one, we discuss. The first one is the natives. European natives were uncivilized and the noble savage. Europeans now civilized in terms of literacy, religion, and urbanism. So the nobles, they were like as the savage, okay, and the Europeans they called them the Slav, that they were the literate people. Now the native second point to natives, the goods they exchanged with Europeans were gift. Okay, but the Europeans gift the were commodities which they could sell for a profit. Now here you see the differences of their mentality. Natives were not aware of market, but the Europeans they sold goods in European markets for the profit. Natives were not happy with the greed of the Europeans. Okay, but the Europeans they slaughtered hundreds of beavers of for fur. They were also cut hundreds of the animals for the fur. Okay, now the natives were afraid that animals would take revenge for these destructions, and but the Europeans they killed animals to protect the farms. Now, next point I want to show here. Natives, now here you see next point. Natives were not happy with the greeds. We already discussed greeds of the Europeans. Okay, but the Europeans, they were slaughtered hundreds of beavers for furs, and now the natives were afraid that the animals would take revenge for this destructions. But the Europeans, they killed animals to protect the farms. The natives identified tracks invisible to the Europeans. The Europeans imagined the forest to be converted into cornfields. So they cut down the forest. Okay, they cut down the trees in the forest, make that area into the farmland, and they convert that forest area into cornfields. Okay, and these corns, they were also exported in their European countries. So this one is the difference between the natives and the Europeans on that time. Europeans saw each and everything in their own benefit, but the natives were not, their mentality was totally different from the Europeans. They were innocent. The natives people were innocent, but the Europeans were very, they were the traders. Okay, now here you see the Martha. In 1885, September 1 to 1940, was the far last known living passenger pigeon. She was named Martha in honor of the First Lady Martha Washington. Okay, student, next topic we will discuss in our next video.